traders, hello. It's morning for me. It's 7:30 in Perth. I worked last night. I was going to put up the video. I'm finding that's really helping with my learning and understanding of things, so I'll do like a post-trade analysis video. Sort of when it's fresh in my mind. That's why for me it would be around 11 o'clock at night or so. Because I don't typically want to stay up till, well, I wouldn't. I'd go to sleep and then I would wake up like 3:30 because market closed at 4 in the morning where I am. So this is how it sort of ended up. So this is all the 21st. Go to the 15-minute. Hope everyone had a great week as well. Look at that, man. What's the high on that? On that mother. At the open. With my rough head out of the way. I don't look too shit on camera actually. Got about 5 hours sleep. Yeah, I did, which is pretty good because I was gonna wait for this to alright, so the high, Scott. Let's execute this. 585. Okay, so I got the 585, but I was gonna wait for the upload, but that was gonna take quite a while. It's the Windows 10 update, so. Yeah, like I didn't get into this, and I didn't get into the sell either in the previous close. What was the close on that? 521. So it actually ended up. How did it close? Was that it there? 501. So it was a short opportunity, but so I sort of had a feeling it was going to revert back to the mean and close the gap a little bit, and it did, but it didn't really do what I thought it was going to do, and how I was going to sort of play it is I knew pre-market it got up to 580. It opened at around 560 or so. Low of the fire, okay. Close 5. So it's pretty, pretty big candle when it comes to sort of. That's not too bad actually. So, I didn't play this, guys. I was at work as well. We go to the hourly candle. I probably shouldn't run with this because it gets in the way a little bit. But there we go. So, it'll be a down day. Yeah, it might fall off a little bit here. AEZS. It's not there. Let's get it up. Let's get it up. So I ended up. I didn't end up in the green this week. This is my first week demo trading. I can't link it to Profitly though, so I'm gonna follow this guy who's gone paper trade challenge week 1, day 4. Fuck yeah, man. There's nothing wrong with paper. I know institutional traders who are worth hundreds of millions of dollars, and this is how they started. And then the Profitly cat's like, you can't link it, and it's like saying fuck you to me. Well, man, it's a valuable resource. You don't just jump in with real money. That's fucking dumb as hell. You don't do that. Okay, because you're just going to be handing money to the market. Obviously I get a delayed feed. So what I would do is I would run Yahoo Finance, or what was I? Market Watch. I was last night at work. I was Market Watch with the iPad, phone in the hand, ready to make a buy limit because I wanted a few cents above the high of what it was trading pre-market. But I knew also that the concern was it jumped up a lot, and $6 was major resistance for ZN. So this one was better. So if we go to the 5-minute, so that's not a bad. That's not. Oh no, sorry. Here's the 21st. But anyway, man, like shout out to Hannon Bartisman. I apologize. I'm sleep deprived as shit, man, if I mispronounced your name. But this is what I'm talking about, guys. The demo trading is just fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm used to it. I've demo traded, and I do a little bit of live trading with Forex now. I ran the demo account for 8 months, and there's nothing wrong with that. You really have. Certain people obviously going to respond better though. Like if you're disciplined, you have to really be disciplined with it. All right, 15-minute candles, guys. Sorry about that rant. Yeah, so it held above 3. Alright, so I was watching it probably 9:30 to 10:30. So that's what I liked, and I was sort of inclined to be like, well, we might get a bounce off here, but it didn't quite. I mean, where's 3 on the It would have been 303 I would have got in on. Probably not. Probably, what was I thinking? I think this was 321. So maybe 323. So I didn't get near that 324. It just sort of petered away. But I'm going to show you guys how I finished for the trades. Oh, come on, man. Wow, man. It's not actually showing anything. So maybe because that's I did it the previous day. But didn't. But I'm up a little bit. I'm up around $300. So this is all sort of done. AVEO. Let's see what that did. That beautiful ticker. So it is flat. What else was that? What else is being watched? VSLR. So this bad boys. This is a solar company based out of Nevada. Sip my coffee. 3 heaped teaspoons of coffee. Okay, so it's not. That's terrible. That sort of stuff's not really appealing to me. Alright. That's sideways again. Because it fell off a little bit, VSLR. They had good news on, I think the Nevada state government announced that they made a big order. Obviously solar panels, Nevada. I mean, you could fuck it up, maybe. There's a possibility of that. So that's what probably, that's what led to that. And now it's just sort of, it's another strong down day like that, it's probably worth shorting. But yeah, I sort of wanted to short ZN, sorry, but just where I'm at work. It's not ideal to because I get a delayed feed to the phone because it's a demo account, which is frustrating. But yeah, so I mean, what I was waiting for was so I missed that. So it did break down at the. I sort of half expected it was going to break down a little bit, but I was like, well, I need sleep, which is weak, I know, but yeah. So I've got to do some things this morning. Anyway, guys, I didn't take a trade. I missed the breakdown here as well, but it held not too badly. But yeah, what I was hoping, my plan was it was holding around where's 540, the 540 level quite well. And my thought process was, if 538 would have been a pending sell limit, and and then I would have just wrote it down, because 538 to 521, because that was the previous close. 521. Sorry, I'll move my head out of the way. So that's what I was sort of chasing. I had a feeling ZN and AEZS were both reverting back to the mean, closing the gap a little bit. So because they just they spiked, and then immediately the next 15-minute candle. I normally don't do anything the first 5 minutes. I just want to, especially in this situation where the after hours stuff was so crazy. But anyway, guys, I didn't do any trades last night. I just want to update everyone. Thank you for watching, and I'm just going to watch Tim's hour-long video lesson that he made as well. So I seem to have he's had a very successful week, so congrats to Tim, and congrats to everyone else as well. And weekend, I'm going to bring the laptop into work. I'm working later on today and do some analysis and of my currency stuff as well. But yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good, productive, but a little bit of fun sometimes weekend. All right, bye.